provide you with step-by-step instructions on how to install Workspace on your Mac operating system. So on the Welcome to Workspace page, you want to select first time users, or you can select getting started via the navigation menu. And then you want to find the download / VMware Horizon client link, and you can select either. And that will take you to the VMware Download Center. So you want to find VMware Horizon Client for Mac and go to Downloads. And you want to make sure that you are downloading the latest version of VMware and then download. Okay, so when you open VMware in your Applications folder, you should be prompted to enter the name of the connection server. Workspace.uts.edu.au and then connect. And then it will prompt you for your student or staff ID and your password.